So in this problem, Mr. Williams recorded the time in minutes he spends talking on the phone each day for 2 weeks. The results are shown, and we can see that easily labeled. Here's week 1's box and whisker, week 2 box and whisker. We want to be able to find the center and variation. Again, this idea of variation is just talking about the spread. Whenever I use a box and whisker, my center will always be the median. My variation will always be found by using the IQR. So I look at week 1. Week 1 had a median of 90, and the interquartile range is going to be about 125 minus 55. We subtract these and we get this interquartile range of around 70. Week 2 had a median of about 95, and it had an interquartile range. We're at that same 125 for the upper minus probably about 45 there. So we subtract this and we're going to end up with 80. So the things that we want to be able to judge are looking at this, the centers. On average, did he make about the same? Is that middle number about the same number of time in minutes he spent on the phone? Yeah, half of his calls were 90 minutes or less here, half were 90 minutes or more. Week 2, half were 95 or less, the other half were 95 or more. And then that middle 50%, that interquartile range. So 50% of his calls were within 70 minutes of each other in week 1 and within 80 minutes week 2. So overall, week 2, he had longer phone calls, and we can see that justified both by the center and by the IQR.